As we observed the balo busily reel in its prey, Condi noticed an approaching blip on the seacopter's tracking device. Within seconds, a faint glow appeared in the distance. Our tracking sensors were now displaying some kind of large object or visitor heading our way. We watched with nervous curiosity, and our eyes were riveted to our screens to see if we recognized the approaching object. Even though the seacopter was protected by a tough, impenetrable nanodome, there was always a possibility that a considerably sized sea monster could swallow our entire vehicle. Even though we had destructive weapons, we preferred to use them only as a last resort. We watched through an observation window as our unknown mysterious visitor was moving closer. We could now see a pulsating glow, steadily increasing in size as it approached us. As this shimmering orb came upon us, we could see within the glow 5 marine-like beings who appeared to be about 10 to 12 feet long. They were moving through the ocean almost gently and perhaps with caution as they slowly navigated towards our craft. These were unlike any species we had seen before on Blue Dice. Many of the planet's local biotypes were primitive, large crustaceans and usually involved in a daily battle for survival. These organic beings seemed highly dissimilar. With slow deliberation, they approached our vehicle, still encased in a pulsating spherical glow. As they came into view, we could see that each of them had large flippers attached where there would be legs and long, thin appendages at their sides. Then, as if by a signal, we watched spellbound as they seemed to morph and become upright. As they stood up, we were able to get a closer look at their faces, which were strikingly humanoid. They kept coming closer, bathed in a soft orange-reddish light, and as they approached our ship, again almost as if by signal, they quickly separated and swam upwards and around us. Each figure was bathed in its own glow as they collectively circled our craft. One of them moved forward and paused, surveying the craft for what seemed like a frozen moment in time. This radiant entity then ventured up to our observation window, and it was crystal clear that this was an intelligent being looming before us. This life form was eerily humanoid, yet distinctly aquatic in origin. Encircled in a celestial light, the visitor observed us closely and curiously scanned the inside of our ship. The eyes were oval in shape and seemed to be changing color as it studied our environment. I felt a slight chill and yet great wonder as I stared back at this exotic and mysteriously perceptive inhabitant of the deep. For a second, it looked as if there was a slight smile on its face, or was I imagining it? Then it placed one of its flippers on the glass. To our astonishment, the flipper separated at the end like fingers. The glow that surrounded our strange visitor suddenly ebbed as if receiving a signal. In the blink of an eye, it moved away so fast it caught us off guard. Within moments, they had all joined together, and out of nowhere, a pulsing circle of light appeared. They streaked towards the orb and then suddenly disappeared as if by magic. I looked down at our tracking sensors, and there was no trace visible. These giant marine lords had vanished with no way to find them. Thanks for listening to Damon's Brave New World, and don't forget to check out our website, damonsbravenewworld.com.